Welcome to March Plan with me. I will be using my purple planner from ufplanner.etsy.com. Let's get right into the video. Putting my Apple Pencil on, my Apple Pencil tip, and let's get to planning. As I said, I'll be using the purple planner and we're going to head into March. If you can't tell, I've used Goodnote 6 and I just purchased it, I think yesterday. So now we have Goodnote 6. Now I'm going to go ahead and write it down. I think I'm going to flip it this way. Yeah, that's better. Timers. And right here, I'm going to input my following count for this month and last month's following count. At this moment, I can't find my list, so I'm just gonna do this month. And it's only the second day in the month. Make sure to subscribe down below. Okay, one is for Creatively Kai. And then this one at the bottom is for UFP. Let's go to the next slide. Oh, I forgot something. I had to do my wallpaper. So let's add that in right here. It was pretty simple, but I love it. Now we can go and add in everything for this month. Show me now, 'cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. All this studying is for my other work for grad school coming up in fall 2026. So I have to make sure I see this because I need to do it every day. And that's not including my regular assignments. But let's add in what's really, really special. Spring break. Now, spring break is going to start this day. I don't know why I wrote it like that. I'm trying to keep it color coordinated. Oh, I do have something interesting happening this day. So we're gonna have to move that right there and put what's fun blue. This is all I could think of so far. I know other things are going to come up, but this is literally what I have to do. Oh, let me add in, where is it? Okay, we're going to do 7 assignments, but I think I'm going to get on spring break early and finish all of my work up. I think I'm gonna finish all my assignments up. I have literally no room. I can't make some room this week, which is our week 7. But these are when the classes, when the last day for the assignments are due. Y'all like the little ASMR for the iPad? Because I know I do. Finances. I'm gonna do this myself. And what I think I did, let's see. I think I'm gonna do blue. So all you gotta do. I'm thinking, dang, this girl with all these Apple bills. But wait till you see the price. I figured out what my Apple storage is due. Apple Music, and let me go. I'll be right back. Yeah, I got it. Let's do 3, 6. Swap it out with you. Swap it out with you. See those prices? Yeah. Now, if you don't know, if you are a student, you can get Apple Music for $5.99 a month, Apple Creator Studio for $2.99 a month, and then my Goodnote 6 is, let's see, my Goodnote 6 is yearly. I love this. Like, I'll just be working my tablet And then I'll do this all by myself. Weekly meals. I had a box meal today, like a teriyaki meal. So let's see if I can find something with a little bit of, I don't know if I did like a beef. I know I did a lot of food for the first drop, but I'm not sure if it has any meat on it, like with some rice. I'm actually going to eat that. I got some popcorn corners. It's like a chip based popcorn, so that can be added. Sunday I had a good home cooked meal, so I don't have that on here. But tomorrow I will be having a bacon, egg, and cheese hot pocket, and that is breakfast item, so I'm really excited to eat that. Now, I think that's about it for the food because I don't really see much. Oh yeah, I am having cheesecake Wednesday. This, y'all, is so fun. Shop Unlimited Freedom Planner on Etsy today. Alrighty, let's see where my other food. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'll be eating, but I think I may eat mine. Okay, yeah, this is really it. Sunday I had a home cooked meal. Let's see if I can find something because I did Easter for the spring collection. I had juice yesterday, so I'll put that because I really don't want one spot empty. Y'all make sure y'all check out the spring collection drop and show me some love. Next page. Weekly plan. Now this, I'm just going to do a time lapse because this week is quite busy.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the from the star for
Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime.
I didn't do Sunday because it was more of a rest day and I needed to do a little bit of work plus I got baptized, y'all. So Monday is for the new sheet, which is the Bloom India. So y'all have a great life. Bye. Y'all have a great life and happy March. Bye. It's also my mom's birthday month, so y'all put happy birthday mom in the comments below so I can send her to this video. Okay, bye. And happy birthday to you too. Your birthday's in March.